Hi friends, welcome back to another new video and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. I was not able to make my videos for a long time since I had my school projects that I had to do, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make animated wallpapers for your Windows 10 computer. It's very simple to do and it's totally free. You can download you have to download one software which is just 199 MB 199 MB, which is a very small file that you have to download, a small software from Microsoft Store, and it's the best thing. Since if you download any of the software from internet, it may harm your computer, but if you are downloading it from Microsoft Store, if it's available there, so it will not harm your computer, since Windows is also a Microsoft product as well, and all that software present in Microsoft Store are also part of that Microsoft softwares only. So here I will tell you how to download. You can download it from Microsoft Store. I've given the link of that software in the description. You can go there, click on get, and after you have installed that, then just launch it from there. So using that software, how you can make your animated wallpaper, it will look like this, which is very beautiful. And how to make this I will tell you in this video, and it's very simple to do. You can do that in just a minute. So let's go to our computer screen and let's see how to do this simply. Let's start. So here now I will show you how to download it, and it's very easy to download. You can just go to Microsoft Store and get it. It's totally free, link given in the description, and let's set up it. Tell you what for what it's used for. So it's used for setting up an animated background, as we have a still background here. As you can see on my screen, my background is still, it's not moving, but this software, it helps us to make a background animated, or you can say the background will move. So this software is that. So you can download it from Microsoft Store. Link I've given in the description box. Go there, just get it. It's totally free. Get it, and then you have to launch that on your computer. After launch it, this type of a screen will come on your computer screen. Click on next. Then start with Windows. Then click on next. Then click on OK. So now you have the lively wallpaper, and now we can give many kind of wallpaper like beautiful sunset render. So if I give it here, just a second, it will take some time to do that. It's very simple to do, and here you can see on my, it also supports multiple screen. As you can see here, it is one, and you can also give it on two if you want. I don't want like that. As you can see, my background, it's moving. So how it is it's very easy. I'm pretty sure. Here are also another one like this. I am taking it on my second screen. I have two screens here on my computer, multiple displays. That's very easy, and it looks very beautiful, right? It's moving, the background is moving, and it's so beautiful. I like it very much. So I wanted to show it to you, that how you can use this kind of animated wallpaper which looks really very beautiful. And now the second one that I will show you, it takes some time to do, and I'm not downloaded it from the internet. You can also download this same software from the internet, but I think from Microsoft Store it's better. Here, as you can see, this is the Microsoft Store where I have downloaded this one. You can easily download it. I have just given the link in the description, or you can just search for lively wallpaper, and then you can add it, and then you can launch it. It's very simple to do. Look at this, it's so beautiful, right? Your wallpaper is like alive. Okay, So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, click on the like button below, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel with the like, and it really motivates me to make this kind of videos. And a happy new year to all. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.